Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about various features of Revit architecture. So let me first open Revit architecture. After opening Revit architecture, as you can see here, so here there are the various cameras which are present here. First I will today explain, see in my previous videos I have explained about the various walls, then how to place doors, windows, then how to place the various components, then how to make roof by extrusion and roof by footprint, and even I have explained about soffit, fascia and gutter. Okay, then today I'll be explaining about how to make different type of doors where I can place the mullions and curtain grid and curtain system. Then after that I will be explaining about various railings and staircases and all these things, then model text, model line, then room separator, rooms, tag room areas. So these are the various features I will explain one by one. So let me today draw one plan first of all, but before that I have to check here what are the levels present, level 1 and level 2. So let me go to the elevation, that is to the north elevation, and check whether what is the height present here. That is from level 1 to level 2 the height present here is 10 feet. Okay, it's fine. So now let me go to level 1, and that is the floor plan level 1. So now I'll make the architectural wall. Here, as it's selected by default, the generic basic wall of 8 inch. So even I can make duplicate wall, but my aim is not to make a duplicate wall or wall of 9 inch, but my aim is to today show you how to make a different type of wall. So for that, let me draw one building of, suppose let me draw here 20 feet, then let me go in this manner again 25 feet, then again go in this manner 25 feet, again here 50 feet, and this manner I will make one building. Okay, suppose this is the plan of the building which I have created, and as you can see here the height which is up to what height it has been created, up to 20 feet, but my level 2 is present at 10 feet. So what I need to do is I have to select the wall by using left click, and I have to click here from 20 feet to 10. I have to edit this one because my level 2 is present at 10 feet. Now I can see by going to the north elevation that this is the floor plan which I have created. Even I can go to the 3D view. So this is the floor plan which is created up to 10 feet. Now again let me go to the level 1. Now this is the wall. Now today I will be making different type of wall. So for that, what you need to go is simply you need to go to the wall. After going to the wall, you need to select here, and you have to go to the these 3 curtain walls. As you can see here, this one is curtain wall 1, exterior glazing and storefront. So let me go to first the curtain wall. So I have selected the curtain wall. Suppose I need to keep 1 feet. So this is my 1 feet distance. From here I will be creating the curtain wall. Let me go to the curtain wall. Okay, so from 1 feet I will create, suppose I will create of 8 feet. So click here 8 feet, and this is what it is created. This is the curtain wall. Highlighted wall overlaps, one of them may be ignored using Revit. So for that, what you need to do is you have to simply click on edit type, and you have to click here automatically embed, apply it and click OK. See, this is what the curtain wall is now being created. So I can now even go to the 3D view, and I can check here but here the curtain wall is being created up to the height. You can check here what is the height up to what it has been created. It has been created up to the height of, suppose you can click it here and you can see here it has been connected up to 20 feet. I will edit here and I'll create it up to 10 feet and I click on apply. Yeah, it has been now created to the 10 feet. Now even I can go to the realistic view and I can check what is the curtain wall, how it looks like. See, this is the curtain wall, how it looks like. Actually the curtain wall is made of glass. So this is the curtain wall which I have created. Now after creating the curtain wall, even in the curtain wall I can create various curtain grid. You can see here these are the various grids. So I can create here various grids, like, see, at a height of 2 feet, at a height of 2 feet 6 inches, at every height. See, this is be 5 by 5. So let me create one grid at the center, that is midpoint of the curtain panel. Just simply click it. So this is how the grid has been created. Now you can click it here and you can even click create it in the vertical direction. So I have created both the curtain grids in the vertical direction as well as horizontal direction. So if you need to create vertical, then you have to click either this wall or the below wall, and for creating horizontal you have to click either the left wall or the right wall. Suppose I will be creating here at a distance of 2 feet. Okay, so I'll simply click it here and create it. After creating, you can even click in this wall and you can here adjust here the distance. Suppose I need at a 2 feet distance. See, this is how I can create. Suppose this one is not required at 4 feet, I can click in this wall and I can edit this by 3 feet. So this is how we can edit. First of all, you try to place all the grids, curtain grids in vertical direction and horizontal direction, as many as you want. After that you can edit the distance. So this is how I have created the curtain wall. After that you can even create the mullions, but remember that mullions are always present above the curtain grid. So now you can check here grid lines, all grid line segments, all grid lines. So simply click it here and simply place it here. See, this is how all grid lines are being created on above the curtain grids. So this is how we can create the various kind of curtain walls. I hope it's clear to all of you that first of all I need to go to the wall and I need to go to create curtain wall. As you can see here, this one is curtain wall. I have taught you today about curtain wall. Even I will teach you about exterior glazing and storefront. So this is curtain wall. So first create curtain wall. Suppose I will be creating curtain wall in this manner. Then go to the level 1. Then let me create from here to here at a distance of 6 feet. Okay. But before that, always try to, before creating, always try to keep it to the level 2. So that I don't have to create edit again the height, because by default it has been created to 20 feet. So if I will keep the height up to level 2, it will be created by default to only 10 feet. Suppose from here I need to create for 6 feet. So 6. Okay, this is how it has been created. Now go to the 3D view. Then I can place here, go to the architecture tab and place here the curtain grids. Suppose in this manner I will create the curtain grids. Okay, after creating curtain grids, all segments you can create here and you can place here. See, so these are the various curtain grids which I have created. You can go to the curtain grid and you can create in a different manner. Like all segments, or suppose I have to create only the curtain grid in the left section, then I will click this one and I will create in the left section only in this manner. As well as if I need to create the curtain grid in the right section, I'll create here and I'll create only in this manner. If I don't have to create in the means individually you can create by going to the curtain grid and by selecting for all segments, means it will create from left hand side to the right hand side full length, but for one segment you can create this one. And all except picked, suppose I need to place the curtain grids except this line, then I will click it here, and after that I can so I'll go to the curtain grid and I'll click on all except pick. So suppose I have clicked in this line. After clicking on this line, suppose I don't need curtain grid at this portion and as well as in this portion, I'll click in this two, and after that I'll click enter. See, in this two portion it has not been created curtain grid, and in the rest portion the curtain grids will be created. So in this manner you can create different type of curtain grids. After that you can place mullions over the curtain grids at all the grid lines. If you click at all the grid lines, it will be created at all the grid lines directly the mullions. Okay, even you can click on this various mullions and you can edit, or you can select here. Suppose I need circular mullion, then I will click here, and as you can see here, this is the circular mullion which I have created. Okay, in the similar manner, this is how I have edited the rectangular mullion. Suppose this is the I have edited and I have made the circular mullion. Suppose I need to make this one continuous. So what you need to do is you have to simply click on one mullion and click on make continuous. After clicking, see, in this manner you can make the mullion continuous. I hope it's clear to all of you that how to make mullions. Or suppose let me press Ctrl Z, or let me show here, or let me make one another wall. Suppose I have created one wall. Go to here, go to wall and create curtain wall. Let me create this curtain wall. Okay, after creating this curtain wall, suppose I will again go to the architecture tab and I'll create curtain grids. Suppose I am creating curtain grids. Okay, and I have created the curtain grids. Now after creating the curtain grids, if I need to place mullion in the grid lines, okay, now I can click simply in this line. See, now the mullion has been created in this grid line. Suppose I need to I need to create mullion over only one segment, then I can again go to mullion and I can click here only grid line segment. This is how single segments I can create. Okay, this is how we can create mullion. Suppose this is how mullion is being created. If I need to click it here and let me make continuous, see, this is how the continuous mullion is being created. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you. Okay, let me even go to the mullion again and let me click here only one mullion. Okay, so even by clicking in this curtain wall, we can adjust the height by simply in this manner. As you can see here, moving it upward and downward. I hope it's clear to all of you how to create curtain walls, then curtain grid and mullions, and how to place the mullions. Now let me go to the another wall. Let me click in the wall and let me create exterior glazing. Now let me create exterior glazing. Go to the level 1 and let me create, suppose from here to here I will be creating exterior glazing. See, this error will come. After that you need to edit type and click on automatically embed and apply it. After that it will automatically get embedded. Now you can check in the 3D view again that how the exterior glazing is being created. This is how the exterior glazing is being created. Okay, similarly here one curtain grid is being created by default. Remember that in the exterior glazing the curtain grid will be created by default, but again you have to click on here and you have to click on all the grid lines mullions if you need to create mullions. See, this is how mullion has been created. So these are the two different things. In curtain grid in curtain wall mullions will not be created neither, or as well as curtain grids will not be created, but here in this exterior glazing wall, the mullion, not the mullions but the curtain grids will be created by default, but you have to place the mullions over those curtain grids. Now I will be creating the third type of wall, that is go to the architectural wall and go here to the storefront. Let me click it here, and after that again go to the level 1 and create, let me create from here to here exterior front. See, this is how I have created exterior front. Now let me again go to the 3D view. See, this is how the exterior front is being created. In this exterior front wall, first the curtain wall, it is the combination of the curtain wall, curtain grids and as well as mullions. And even you can edit here. Suppose I need to click it here and I can even adjust its height. Okay, and you can even click it here. See, this is rectangular mullion. Okay, I have pinned it, and suppose I will click it here and even I will click it. See, here you can see prevent or allow change of element position. See, if I will pin it, then it will suppose you will change the height, but this two height will not be changed. Suppose let me pin it. After that go to this wall and go to edit type. After editing, suppose spacing is 5 feet. Suppose let me keep here spacing as 8 feet. Apply it. And as well as in the horizontal grid 8 feet. See both I have created horizontal grid as 8 feet. Now let me edit the vertical grids also 8 feet. No, by default it has been 8 feet only. Let me edit as not 8 feet. Let me edit to horizontal grids by 10 and apply. See, those grids move to the upper level. Suppose I will again edit it. Suppose let me again edit it, and instead of 10 let me move to the 5 feet. See, those are now being changing. Okay, even I can pin this one, and even you can make continuous or break a joint. Suppose as here it is continuous, not continuous, you can click it in this line and you can make it as continuous. See, or you can click it here and you can make click on break a joint. This is how you can do it. Suppose let me do one thing. Let me click in the full storefront wall, curtain wall storefront, and edit it. In the edit portion you can even do something else, like as I have shown you just now, that I can keep the vertical grids at 8 feet and 5 feet, but fixed distance. Even you can make this one as the maximum spacing as 5 feet and click on apply. See, the maximum spacing will be 5 feet, but here if you keep this the maximum spacing as 5 feet, suppose you will keep maximum spacing as 5 feet or minimum spacing as fixed number, suppose you keep this one as the fixed number. Okay, now they will keep the fixed number. Even you can change the mullion size, suppose you can click it here and you can change for different mullion, rectangular mullion or 1 square, 2 square, even you can change these all types. Okay, so curtain panels are glazed, you can even keep as brick wall. Suppose you click it here, apply, now the curtain panel will be changed. See, these are now not glass, but these are now brick walls. See, you can check it here, that basic wall exterior brick. Okay, even you can click it here and even you can simply change edit type. You can go to the edit type and you can check, you can change it, the structure you can change it here. These are this one is the structure which is being created, or you can simply create click again like edit type, sorry, go to the full storefront wall and edit type and again change from this wall to again keep it as empty. Suppose, see, now the walls will become empty. See, now nothing is present here, though it looks similar but nothing is present here. Suppose click it here, again edit it and keep it here as system panel solid. Now see, you can see here these all are being changed. So this is how we can change it. So I hope it's clear to all of you that how to create curtain wall, curtain grid, mullions, then glazing, exterior glazing wall and store front wall, curtain wall. So in my next video I will be telling about various other things is like how to create staircase and all these things. So hope it's clear to all of you. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in my comment section, and if you like the video, then please press the like button and share it as much as possible. So thanks for watching my video.